Do you want to grow healthy fingernails naturally? It's a question that we've all asked ourselves at some point. Well, you're in luck. Today we're going to delve into 6 fantastic methods that can help you achieve just that. From the nourishing power of a coconut oil mask to the rejuvenating effects of a vitamin E massage, we've got you covered. We'll also explore the benefits of a lemon juice soak, tea tree oil, sea salt soaks, and an olive oil massage. So stay tuned to discover these natural ways to grow and maintain healthy nails. Our first method involves using a coconut oil mask. Coconut oil, rich in healthy fatty acids, offers deep moisturization that strengthens and nourishes brittle nails. It also acts on the nail bed to boost growth. Warm 1 to 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, work it into your nails, and massage for 5 minutes. Repeat this twice a day. The massaging also enhances blood circulation and helps retain moisture. With consistent use, you'll notice stronger and healthier nails. The next method involves a simple vitamin E massage. Vitamin E is a powerhouse nutrient that can transform brittle nails into strong, long beauties. This oil rejuvenates and nourishes, revitalizing your nails from the inside out. To apply, simply puncture a vitamin E capsule and apply the thick oil directly to your nails. Don't overlook your cuticles. They need love too. With regular application, you'll see your nails becoming stronger and longer. This is one little secret to naturally healthy nails that you won't want to skip. Moving on to the third method, we have a lemon juice soak. The humble lemon, a powerhouse of vitamin C, is a potent antioxidant that combats free radicals, preventing further damage. To soak your nails, squeeze the juice of half a lemon into a bowl. Grab a cotton ball, dip it in the juice, and gently swipe it over each nail. After treating all your nails, wash them with warm water. With regular use, you'll notice an improvement in your nail health. The fourth method involves using tea tree oil. This potent antiseptic agent battles fungal and bacterial infections that can weaken your nails. By maintaining and improving your nail health, tea tree oil helps to keep them strong and resilient. To use it, simply dilute a few drops of tea tree oil with half a tablespoon of vitamin E oil. Massage this blend onto your nails, then wash them with lukewarm water after half an hour. Don't forget to moisturize well afterwards. You'll see a significant improvement in your nail health with consistent use. Our fifth method is a sea salt soak. Sea salt is a natural nail fortifier. It's simple yet effective. To use it, create a solution of sea salt and water, then add a few drops of lemon juice for an extra boost. Immerse your hands in this solution for about 15 minutes. Make this a twice-daily ritual for a week. The sea salt works wonders on brittle nails, providing them with essential minerals. With regular use, you'll see your nails becoming stronger and healthier. The final method involves an olive oil massage. Olive oil is a fantastic aid in calcium absorption, crucial for nail strength and growth. It promotes bone mineralization and stimulates the calcification process. To harness these benefits, simply warm 2 spoonfuls of olive oil and dip your nails in it for about 10 minutes. Follow this with a gentle massage. This simple yet effective home remedy will fortify your nails, encouraging length and resilience. You'll notice stronger, longer, and healthier nails with regular use. Have you enjoyed this video? Please consider subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching.